Greetings, welcome to Addicted to Geography. My friend and brethren Mr. Henry asked me to give today's lesson on folding and faulting. Today, we will be exploring the fascinating geological processes of how the Earth's crust can be deformed and reshaped over time. Folding and faulting are two important geological processes that are responsible for shaping the Earth's surface. Let's start with folding. Folding occurs when layers of rocks are bent and deformed due to pressure and compression. This can happen when tectonic plates collide, pushing against each other and causing the rocks in between to fold and buckle. Over time, the folded rocks can be uplifted and exposed at the surface, creating ridges and mountains. One example of folding is the Appalachian Mountains in eastern North America. The Appalachian Mountains were formed around 300 million years ago when the collision of tectonic plates caused the rocks in the area to fold and uplift. Now let's talk about faulting. Faulting occurs when rocks break and move along a fault line. A fault line is a fracture in the Earth's crust where the rocks on either side have moved past each other. This movement can cause earthquakes, as the sudden release of energy from the moving rocks creates seismic waves. The San Andreas Fault in California is one of the most well-known examples of faulting. The San Andreas Fault is a major tectonic boundary where the North American and Pacific plates are moving past each other. This movement has caused numerous earthquakes over the years, including the devastating San Francisco earthquake of 1906. There is also a fault which runs all the way from Jamaica to Haiti. Mr. Henry spoke about it in a video last week. Do you remember its name? Be the first person to tell me the correct name in the comments and I might have a prize for you. In conclusion, folding and faulting are two important geological processes that are responsible for shaping the Earth's surface. These processes are driven by the movement of tectonic plates and can result in the formation of mountains and the occurrence of earthquakes. Understanding these processes can help us better appreciate the dynamic nature of our planet and the forces that shape it. Thank you for watching this video on folding and faulting. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more geography videos like this one. Peace.